Want to remove an old resume from the Indeed Jobs app? It's simple. First, open the Indeed Jobs app on your iOS or Android device and log in. Tap your profile icon, usually found in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, select Resumes or Manage Resumes. You'll see a list of your uploaded resumes. Choose the one you want to delete and tap the Delete option. You might be asked to confirm your decision or provide a reason, like outdated or privacy. Remember, deleting a resume is permanent, so be sure it's the correct one. After deleting, you can easily replace your resume with an updated version. Just tap Upload Resume and select a new file from your device. Keep in mind a few things. You can't delete a resume that's linked to an active job application. You'll need to withdraw the application first. Also, remember that deleted resumes are permanently removed from Indeed servers within 30 days. This helps protect your privacy. Regular resume updates are important. Career experts suggest deleting and replacing old resumes to stay relevant in today's job market.